Meaning of fitted carpet.
Fitted carpet.
Fitted carpet.
Fitted carpet.
Fitted carpet. A fitted carpet is a type of floor covering that is installed wall-to-wall and is cut to fit the shape of a room. It is typically made of durable materials such as wool or synthetic fibers, and can be found in various colors, patterns, and pile heights to suit different interior design preferences. Fitted carpets offer numerous benefits, including improved insulation and noise reduction, and can also create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere in homes and other indoor spaces.